Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Google Maps and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.